Welcome to our vacation vlog. Oh, look at those. Look at that quality. Oh, look at this thing. Well, what do we have here? Is this a... Oh, so natural. Like, oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is a leg of an animal. So awesome. Bye.
Sporting my straw from Anti-Bac for Christmas.
Ooh, look at that. What's that? What's that called?
Watch this, watch this.
That's is that a final straw? Oh my god. What the heck is going on?
Portable and everything.
What is going on?
And watch this.
The magic trick.
I miss my horses.
Oh my god, shut up. So now we're just going on a little hikey hike back to the boaty boat.
With my hydro class.
Okay, shut up. And then before we get on the boat, we will go into the agua and go into the water up to our knees. So Sarah and I are about to go look at some crabs, which are right over there. So let's go.
Let's go.
Sarah, the crabs are over there.
Okay.
Okay. This is some rare footage. Ooh. That one's a magnificent color. We're cruising.
Guys, this is exclusive footage of the National Geographic Endeavour 2 ship. Let's go down the hall and see what it's really like.
This is our door.
They spelled my name wrong, but whatever.
Where's the name?
Okay, so this is our room. It's pretty cozy, but you know, it works. So this is my twin bed. This is Ella's twin bed. These are where our clothes are. I've been really bored so far between the breaks, so I've been putting on a lot of makeup. This is my night look. I have like a green kind of smoked out eye with just a glossy lip because I only brought one lip color. This is an iguana. Here we have the desk, which they refresh our water every day.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you some of the special features of our...
Oh, that's a weird noise. I have no idea what that noise was.
So first of all, we have these lamps and you turn this little dial and this lights up. Then you pull this out and it's a handy dandy reading lamp. We also have these handy dandy shades, which you can open and close with these awesome sticks. If you get this unstuck first. So yeah, those awesome sticks. And then over here, you have these awesome cups and a pitcher of water. And they have tons of ports for our charging needs. And in our closet, we got hangers. Sarah hasn't used her robe, there's an extra blanket. And in here, there's drawers for all of our clothes. And then going under our beds, there's tons of storage for our bags. And then there's a chair that we don't like to sit in, so we put our bags on that. And let's see what's in our valuables. container.
Electrodes, that's what I said. Whoa!
We have nothing valuable.
Also, I'm 90% sure that everyone just has like the same key here, so
we have nothing valuable, so I'm gonna put my hairbrush and my snackies in here.
Okay.
And then lock it up tight.
And don't lose the key, because even though there's like 1,000 copies.
And then we're gonna throw this out the window.
That doesn't open, so. Okay, we're now walking down the hallway to the library where we have to be quiet. This is the spa if you want to get spa treatments. So we're walking down to the library to drop off our glasses. This is where you shop and spend way too much money probably, although we haven't gone in there yet. I'm trying to open this garbage can. Oh, whoa. Look at how cool this garbage can is. Whoa. Okay. Oh look, we have a wild mother right here. Okay, so we're in the library.
And I'm going to show you the espresso machine.
Yes.
So you grab a cup, because
and then you have all these really awesome
What's
flavors.
vanilla chocolate?
I don't know, try it.
Okay, so we're going to press the button.
You need to press it harder. There you go.
Whoa. Wait for the beep. I got my drink, and now I'm a satisfied customer. Wait. Please test.
What does it taste like?
Coffee milk.
Ew.
What is this supposed to be?
It's vanilla chocolate.
What's vanilla chocolate?
Everything kind of tastes the same out of this machine so far, to be honest.
What, is there any honey sticks in here?
We have an arrangement of teas. We should try tea. I'll try tea.
Azúcar. Oh wait, okay, this is raw sugar.
Okay.
I know Spanish.
All right. We'll get back to you on how the tea is later in the week, okay?
Okay, so we just open it. Oh yeah, that's raw sugar.
But we gotta focus on. Yeah.
And then oh, what?
Ew.
Oh, it's a brown sugar.
Oh shoot. Now you have to mix it.
I dropped it in. Okay, we're just
Ew. Okay, that's disgusting.
Let me taste it. It tastes like they took the coffee machine from Starbucks and then they put white hot chocolate mix in it from Mercury's, put it through that little hole, and then it came out. They put some more coffee flavor in it, really watery, and then they put some bubbles in it, and then they put it in a cup.
So bad?
It's just such a disgrace.
What's a disgrace?
This cup of vanilla chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Alright, this is the first night's dinner. We have some pork and bread, and I already ate the roasted potatoes.
Yeah, I have some potatoes.
It's pretty good food on the trip, Dad, right?
Oh well. So let me describe the colors on my plate. Yellow, red colored, meat colored, orange, bread colored, and then we have some red sauce, and then some clear.
So, yeah.